Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch pre-show BINI at KCON LA 2024. So gusto kong panood itong official video from KCON. Siyempre may mga fan cam na ako napanood. Tapos siyempre malalayo yun. So gusto ko ito mapanood kung paano siya sa official video ng KCON. And nung nirelease to kanina, nasa work ako kaya hindi ko siya napanood. And then after nito, papanoodin ko naman yung BINI performance dun sa ASAP, California. Kasi nung in-upload din yun, grabe guys, sobrang sakit ng ulo ko whole day, kaya hindi ko siya na-video, hindi ko siya napanood, like natulog lang ako and nagpahinga ko, kaya actually ngayon medyo masakit pa din yung ulo ko, pero hindi na kasi ako makapag-antay, kaya gusto kong panoodin tong KCON performance nila, uploaded by KCON official mismo, and then after nito, yung performance nila sa ASAP, California. And siguro dalawang video today guys. So stay tuned din sa ASAP performance nila. And for sure mabablock to, kaya tatakloban ko na lang original video. And then yung sa ASAP din nila, I think mabablock din yon. So tatakloban ko na lang din or lalabuan ko yung original video. So hindi ko na to patatagalan. Let's start. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Wait lang, hinap. Grabe itong achievements na to ng BINI, like super proud. Sayang lang wala si Jo. It's ako, princess, oh my gosh. May bias? Sobrang clear nung live vocals nila dito sa video to. Grabe yung visual si Ari. Oh my gosh, kasi Mika. Kaya! Hey! Ano ikaw? She don't like proud bebe. Proud siya sa bebe niya. So, hey! Ang bebe, never lulubog. Pero di pa rin ako makagat over sa condom sa plug ni ano. Hey! Grabe, BINI it's CD at this point. Like, how?
Every day, it's your birthday on repeat, yeah. If you want it sweet, got the sugar on lock. If you want it spicy, turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, you're a baby, but you're not around me.
This one.
Frosty as it can be. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. C-H-E-R-R-Y.
Nag mo talaga yung mic eh. Ano parang, anong tawag doon yung lumagabog yung mic? Alin man kay Shi, Maloy or Stako yun. Like, rinig mo eh, kaya live vocals eh. Ganda, ay, oh my god!
C-H-E-R-R-Y. There's no going back, no, once you try. If you want it sweet, get the sugar.
This part.
If you want the spice, I can turn the
And then si
heat up.
si Stako, kino-cover niya yung part naman dito ni Jo. Kasi si Maloy nag-high notes. Grabe.
If you want it sweet, get the sugar. If you want the spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, you're a bee, but you're not around me.
Grabe, Maloy.
Frosty as it can be.
What?
Baby, I'm the king, better know what
Sobrang
you
nakaka-amaze
got.
pa rin natin ilang beses na
Cherry on top, C-H-E-R-R-Y.
Ganda!
Good ingredients are hard to find.
Wow, Visuals!
2, 3.
Mabuhay!
Hi, I'm Stacy! Hi everyone, I'm Mika. Hi, I'm Sheena. Hey everybody, I'm Aya.
What's up, LA? I'm Malay. Hi, everyone.
Like, grabe
I'm
yung
Gwen.
crowd sa
I'm
Vancouver and
Colette.
Edmonton.
And we are Beanie from the Philippines.
K-pop queens.
We're actually an 8-member girl group, but one of our members, our leader Joanna, is not here with us. She's still in the Philippines, but we miss her so much. Joanna, we miss you.
We miss you, Jo.
And we hope you guys can support our music by checking out our latest single,
Cherry on Top.
on all digital streaming platforms.
Grabe
And
yung
thank you
crowd.
so
Like,
much,
thank you so
KCON
much,
LA,
K-pop
for inviting
stans,
us. It is truly
for
an honor to be here
appreciating
in front of everyone.
Beanie.
2, 3. Thank you.
Wow. And the outfits, grabe talaga. Sobrang ganda. Dalang-dala.
Give it up one more time for Beanie!
Yay! So, ayan, grabe. Sobrang nakaka-proud talaga. Like, kahit ilang beses kong panoorin to and yung mga live performance nila sa ibang bansa, nakaka-proud. Kahit naman dito sa Philippines, sobrang nakaka-proud pa din kasi grabe pa din yung crowd and wala, parang nakaka-amaze lang talaga kasi diba KCON, so big deal siya sa mga K-pop stans, K-pop artists, so K-pop community, so it's a big deal talaga. Tas Beanie nag-perform and ayun nga, nakita nila yung idols nila, like nakapag-collab pa sa TikTok and Hypen, diba? So super happy ako as a fangirl. Parang damang-dama ko yung fangirl moments ni Nashi, ni Colette. So grabe, sobrang happy. And ayun nga, like grabe talaga yung live vocals, like wala. Grabe talaga. So ito, share ko lang. Parang alam mo yun, dahil sa Beanie, nung nag-start akong istan yung Beanie, parang tumaas yung standards ko sa isang girl group. Kasi grabe yung live vocals, yung talent, yung kahit ano, kahit siguro singing lang, grabe, panlaban talaga yung Beanie. Tapos paano pa pag sinamahan ng dance, ng choreo, grabe, sobrang talented, like nagpe-play ng instruments. Tapos ayun nga, grabe, like nasayaw ng hard choreo, tapos nakanta, like ewan ko, that's for me lang naman, pero sobrang taas ng standard ko na ngayon sa sa girl group, kaya feeling ko talaga ult ko na ang Beanie. So that's it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong! Hey!